Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me be clearly and tap on this edit icon in the right, let's say upper corner. And here, as you can see right in the middle, we've got the this camera icon, let's say. So simply tap on it and we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can pick the option to choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to pick the photo, so we can use our gallery or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery, and here we have to simply find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square, this highlighted square. We can unfortunately we cannot zoom in or out the photo. Thanks to this square, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it like you want to, and if you are happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to this icon, let's say. So remember to tap on save. And as you can see, the photo has been applied. What's more, you will be able to see it on the contact list or whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.